podcast, Radio and Stuff.
I wish I could say today we are going back to basics because actually this setup has made me think of what actually we started a podcast because of exactly what is about to happen today. Welcome to today's episode of your podcast, Radio and Stuff. We are about to have fireworks in the studio. Kapis?
100%, Mr. Chapa. You know, umuntu uyayibuza nje manje usho ukuthini mabe ukuthi le podcast yaqalwa exactly for this purpose. Awusichazele usho ukuthini ngalokho?
Well, when this podcast was born, it was born out of amajita, masihlangene, having water, having inyama, having inyama, and then the only thing we would talk about is radio, and obviously unfiltered because we were not recording. We're just sitting and we're having fun and we're talking about radio. We find ourselves talking about shows that we listen to. We find ourselves maybe analyzing, if you choose to call it that. But we would just talk about radio. And you and I then stepped out of that conversation and said, actually, you know, we can start a podcast out of this.
100%. So today we called our friends and we said, you know what, there's some changes that recently happened on radio. So as well as khulume ngawo my changes, ke sikhulume nje nge-radio siyixoxe.
Yes.
Nothing too much, nothing hectic, comfortable kukhuluse. And we've got our good friends here. We'll give them an opportunity to introduce themselves. I think we'll start with the one that got us into trouble.
He talks and we get in trouble. Can you imagine that he talks?
He opens his mouth, we get into trouble.
No, Jens, it's not personal.
Kwenziwa yini mfethu kukhulume wena kube yithini si in trouble?
Kodwa into engithanda ukuthi ngithi ngiyayifight i-disclaimer lapha. Ukuthi the views expressed by the guests of the shows are not the views of the podcast. So I take full ownership of my views.
Yeah, seems that we've got Simpi with Lamini. Thank you so much for coming through, my guy.
Thank you, guy.
Sure.
And then we've got my good brother, Achimajola.
Okay.
That's my name. What's yours?
Wow, no, you sound like a radio guy. You really sounded like a radio
Everything
guy.
he touches turns to gold.
Yeah, it's the man with the Midas touch. Yeah. But hey, thank you so much for inviting me again. It's such an honor. I'm a big fan of the podcast. Yeah.
Wow.
Even if some of the guys go out of their way. Yeah. Yeah, but thanks. Thanks. And yeah, I really appreciate it.
Thank you for coming through, my guy. You also know the qala wathi sesima sikhulumela nje nge-radio siphuza manje siwaphuza namhlanje unfiltered ngoba sasina recorded. That's what you said. Are you filtered now?
Let me tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Ngoba angithi siyakhuluma vele.
Please.
You see, once these lights go on and a camera goes on, because we are adults, you know, you begin to behave.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the honest truth.
Okay.
You know, the president wouldn't speak the way he speaks when he's sitting over dinner with his closest friends.
Yeah.
When he's in front of mics. You see, that's the honest truth, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see the unfiltered. I mean, I hope you
Love it.
ngifuna ukukhuluma ngathi lama-mics awekho. I mean, lama-camera awekho. So, Buffett, we just came out of a crazy radio season. Not as crazy, actually. I think I'm exaggerating here. It wasn't as crazy as last year's. I think there were minor changes here and there, but it's still exciting nonetheless. I don't know what your thoughts were overall, but maybe let's start with Ukhozi FM. I don't know, ikhona bafethu into engichazile enzakalile kuKhozi, or maybe engazange ichaze. But yeah, seems I don't know what your thoughts were.
No, with the Ukhozi, I'm happy with the decision that they took
Okay.
not to change their 6 to 6.
To change.
Not to change.
Oh, okay.
Not to change the 6 to 6 because for me, it is working. You know, it is working. Why change something that is working? But I think it's high time that radio bosses they introduce some long-term contracts now, because we've got this thing of changing for the sake of changing. You know, I think it's important that we now really look at our long-term contracts now. If you listen to a breakfast show, your course this morning, Rosa was flying solo and she was on fire. You know, and then it tells you that there was no need to change this person. If Ustemeza is not there, that breakfast show is okay. Understand? Because we've got two strong brands. You understand?
Yeah.
Temperature nale combination le. I don't know what bit is the breakfast show, but I'm happy with the decision here. We would see banga oshinchi la mashows were.
I'm interested in long-term contract. How long is a long-term contract? When you SABC, what's
3 years, actually.
3 years.
Yeah.
So how long is the long-term contract?
You know, for me, the first year basically you are building a show. Second year you are expected to deliver much.
Okay.
You understand? The Wally Radio is about it delivery anyways. You are expected to deliver now because you've got a band of advertisers on the show, so you need to pull in numbers and you must make sure that you deliver on time. So for me, with 3 years is sufficient.
Okay.
With 3 years is sufficient.
Okay.
Yeah, cool, man. I'm not that much of Ukhozi FM person, bro. But you know, there were a couple of things that I noted.
Okay.
I was very excited about the return of Usthandwa back on radio.
Yes.
Very exciting, and also Mafresh moving into a real daytime show.
Yes.
Yeah,
Top 20.
that was exciting. My only gripe is one with Ukhozi, with the stations like Ukhozi, not only Ukhozi, is that each and every time there is a lineup change, I don't hear a lot of these empowerment things, you know, where they're saying so and so from Vibe FM or from Guna FM or from Inanda FM has just joined the station, you know. But you tend to find a lot of talent when you listen to other radio stations, you know. There's so many Ukhozi FM wannabe DJs, not because they are just wannabes, but they deserve a chance of being on that radio station. I think, I just wish that one day they would create a program where all these guys from community radio, they compete at least to get a slot on a station like Ukhozi FM. You know, I mean, I think when the last time I was here, we mentioned guys like Abu Siasem.
Yes.
They deserve to be on radio. There's another guy that podcaster guy. What's his name?
Kwacho.
Guys
yes,
like
yes,
Abu
yes.
Kwacho. There's so many of these guys, you know, they deserve to be on national radio. So as much as I don't know much about Ukhozi, but I think, man, these guys deserve a chance.
Yeah.
Simpiwe ukhuluma ngendaba yama long contract, which is 3 years. But Simpiwe, kuyenzeka programs manager misplace talent, right? Not ukuthi the person is not talented.
Sure.
You just misplace someone. You place them in a show, and you can see just 7 months into the show or 8 months into the show that it's not working. Then what should be done then?
A contract, what actually will know, a contract comes with some conditions and nama deliverables as well. So you are being told when you're signing the contract that by this time you should have delivered 1, 2, 3, and 4, just like any other job.
Okay.
You know, there's a probation period.
Okay.
So yes, it can't be that because you've signed a 3-year contract. Now that the show, you're not doing what you were expected to be doing on that particular show, then it will remain for the duration of the contract. It can't be.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I get
But I think, I don't know, Simza, I think that would be difficult because now, if I could offer you 1 year if you don't perform, you are out. Now, if you say in 3 years you don't perform, now you need to follow disciplinary processes. You know, it's just, I think it's just going to make it a little bit difficult to get rid of people that are just not performing.
Guys, I think this whole thing about 3 years, it's good and bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you look at it on the business side,
Okay.
I've gone to Ntokozo here, yeah? Ntokozo seems to be having talent, and Ntokozo, after the 8 months, like you were saying, seems to be regressing and is not doing well. Then what does that mean for my business? What does it mean for Ntokozo? So it's a bit of a double-edged sword. The 3-year contract, maybe on a public radio station, like Ukhozi, but unfortunately it also competes with other advertisers. So if I put you on my 3-year contract, and now we're even worse at this day and age, at times they're evolving. There's new technology.
Yes.
And if you don't keep up with those, then what do I do with you? So I'm saying, good, yes, 3 years, but yeah, nah. Personally, it works, but for business, does it work? Let's look at it in that way.
I get you. Yeah.
And also, if you think about it, also just when we say 3 years, I think the way that SABC does it, I speak under correction, I've never worked for the SABC, but I think when they give you a 3-year contract, it's not that they say it's 3 years in that show. It's 3 years within the station. So I can still move you from the breakfast show to midnight if you are not, you know, doing what I'm expecting you to do. But I want to come to what you said, Mr. Majola. You said Ukhozi Alui Guma community radio stations, you know, empower young people. And also you and I were talking the other day, Skulumango Ukhozi, after you announced the lineup here, looking at how they are positioning everyone. And you actually said this to me. Ukuthi Ukhozi is crowded.
Yeah.
Ukuthi if ubuka abasakazi bokhozi kunabantu ngathi bonakale ngathi abaziyo ukuthi bazofakwa phi njengamanje, hence you can see sometimes uthi show eyodwa senze isibonelo ngobusuku obuhle yenziwa uZaba Mseleku for 3 days and then go 1 day bese yenziwa uBingelela Mpanza, you know, whereas under normal circumstances you would expect ukuthi it's the same show in umuntu oyedwa.
Yeah. In fact, uyibeka kahle Ntobeko. I know Archie, as he said, ukuthi akalaleli kakhulu Ukhozi, but I am of a strong view. I don't know what you think, Simpiwe, ukuthi I don't know what they're gonna do about the situation they are faced with, but I feel like banabasakazi abaningi kakhulu. No. And for me, ukubabona even belanda abanye, I began to ask myself questions because bonke labasakazi abangaphakathi banale talent. Now, njengoba elinganisa uNtobeko, ishow ebikade yenziwa uNkosinathi Mshenge ebusuku between midnight and 3. Yeah. Yes, ileyo. Now, ngo-ordinary kwe-radio, fanele ngabe isonto lonke yenziwa umuntu oyedwa, but i-split between ama-presenters awu-2. Leyo nto ekukhombisa ukuthi okay yabo la ngazi ukuthi isho ukuthi bese sibone ukuthi okay usibani sizomfaka kuphi. From where I'm seated kubuke ngazi ukuthi kunabantu abagcina sebeshuthe trying to create space for them because une oversupply of talent versus shows are available now.
Yeah. Guys, let's look at the mandate your cause. We might approach this approaching commercial radio. So if you look at the mandate of any public broadcaster, whether Ukhozi, whether it's Mhlabonene, Lotus FM and Radio 2000, banama specialized programs like uNkulunkulu Umuntu Omusha, as agriculture, every session has got ezemidlalo.
But they've got more time because bavele broadcast ibhola nje live.
Yeah, but sengisho ukuthi kunezinhlelo eyidinga abasakazi abathize kuzona yabo. So you'll find it ukuthi mhlambe you'll end up overworking umsakazi manje usahamba umfaka kuwo wonke ama specialized program manje. Yabo kuzathi mshengo kade sebusuku seyabuya ngo3 ekseni uzokwenza ezabalimi uyabuya usezokwenza ezemncwabo uyabuya usezokwenza understand so ngibuye yes baningi but ngibuye nganene ukuthi there is a need for the squad service ngaka angazi noma making sense.
Yeah, no, ngiyakuzwa. Not entirely convinced.
Yeah.
To be honest, not entirely convinced. Obviously, you're not speaking for them.
Yeah.
Nathi siyayibuka from where we are seated.
Yeah, we might be wrong.
We might be wrong. Ngenze ukuthi abasakazi ekunesidingo sokuthi babe khona. You know, as you are speaking about abasakazi ababuya kaningi on a Sunday in particular. They've got Lucky Nkosi doing 12 to 3. Okuhlelo ezingasoze zabuna. And then he returns at night. On that same Sunday, esezokwenza umculo wamakhwaya. Ulozolo. I wouldn't know. Maybe uhlelo lamakhwaya fanele lezwe umuntu ospecializeayo. You understand? Maybe, I don't know. Angeke nje livele lisakazo into bekokhulusi. But then mase sibuku 12 to 3 lo wenza mase ngiyayibuza ukuthi wonwe udinga umuntu ospecializeayo yini.
Angithi it goes back into ngisho le yama specialist program. If which you awazi loso ngechoral music, angeke uyenze le show. Angeke uyenze le show le yabo. So you need someone or understandayo I choral music. I was hoping and ukuthi that 12 to 3 show engasoze zabona bazoyinikeza uSphiwe.
Okay.
Sphiwe
Sbiya, yes.
Okay.
You know, because she was doing a similar show with
Respect
Umkhumbulo Radio.
Yeah.
And I was hoping that they were going to give her that room ukuthi whatever that she was doing there because it was working. She had if following and by taxi by let's say so it goes back to the show do they give themselves time to listen to my community radio stations because people hapana because she won a competition but did they give themselves time to listen to her shows while we lokhuzana kumkhumbulo Radio?
Yeah,
because if they have that advantage ukuthi ngabe mhlambe basinikezile yena lesa slot lesa and I believe that she was going to do way better than Bamkosi.
I want to ask something Gwena Arch. There is something efika nje njengoSixoxa sibe nengxoxo la no former programs manager woKhosi Zandile Dembe ne. She shared something very interesting with us. Uthi ukufika ka DJ Sbu, which was not known to me.
Yeah.
Ukhozi wa expose uKhozi to a huge listenership kwalikhulisa kakhulu in the area of Gauteng. Kangangokuba bona ngesikhathi beyongena in the morning benolinda Sibiya babethukile because he had done so well in terms of growing the numbers, which is what is expected from umsakazi. Again uthi ukintroduce kuka Chili M wenza the same thing. Introduce uKhozi to new to new listenership. How important it is for ama PBS ukuthi bayenze le nto ye system shocker to bring someone not expected ukuthi ube ngasakaza la kuKhozi, because that was like a system shocker ukuthi baqasha uChili M. She actually shared ukuthi even iprogram umanager wakhe methu uzoletha uChili M wathi are you sure? Yes, yeah.
It is, but it depends, ne? Tina nje amazulu.
Yeah.
Asiko, you can't bombard us with things. You have to take it easy. Yeah, well, it works, but the longevity of the shocker, how long is it gonna last? Yeah, well, okay, Wafi Gusbu, and there was this hype. Yeah, well, and then yes, it brought in a lot of listeners, but Bashalile Nukukoz. Yeah, well, so maybe with other cultures, I'm making an example. Maybe Konabantu, like Xhosa speaking people, like Umhlobo Wenen. Maybe that would work. But because ukubone amaXhosa ngisho ngathiwa ugogo omdala kodwa uzombona ukuthi ufundile ukhuluma isilungu, you know, they used to ezinye izinto before us thina masithe hey
sazolinda la
masithe thina nje sithanda ulinda sibe sithanda ulinda sibe that's it.
Yeah.
So I think it's a bit of a double-edged sword again. You can get the new listeners ukuthi bazohlala yini.
Yeah.
Lama listeners Africa Nosboy, do you think they are still
there?
Yeah, well, so I think for a PBS, you got to think very carefully. It's either you are a traditional Ukhozi FM, not that you don't like changes, but also look out for those ideas with anayo longevity.
Yeah. And then I think the two big changes enzakalile Ukhozini Simza ubuya kuka Langa Vusizwe Langa ezokwenza uskiya ngengoma bese kuba ukubuya kuka Sithandwa Nzuza ezokwenza Chillers on Saturdays izongena between 6 and 9 or 3 to 6 depending what is called in the sports. What are your thoughts there?
Well, Usthandwa, she's a very good presenter. I doubt her abilities working, and I believe what she's going to do well with her show there. Uvusizwe Langa. Kumlalela on Saturdays. I'm not a Maskandi fan, but I channel up a lot, so I just listen for omunye umsebenzi engiwenzayo. Yabo, so kumlalela kwi Chose FM, and I believe ukuthi uzokwenza kahle kakhulu lapha kuleya show, and it was a good move by management Ukhozi to bring in that guy to that show. And I think abantu abaningi bazoba surprised. Surprised kakhulu. And and the only thing that they need to work on beno co-presenter wakho, they need to ilente ukunikeza the space, you know. When you're co-hosting, you need to understand. If it's kumele basebenzise izandla, they must use sign language to indicate what is certain, you know, ngena. So I think other than that, I think by now umfutho odingakala kuleya show leya.
Something you said earlier on, masqala le ngxoxo yethu, you said you were happy ukuthi Ukhozi alizange lishintshe i6 to 6 yalo because why change what is not broken. We had uChatha lapha kusikiya ngengoma. Apart from the fact that he's doing Thrive, but would you have any reason to want to replace him?
You see, uChatha seemed to be entangled in a fight, a maskand. We understand. So you needed someone who's neutral. I don't know whether the new guy is neutral in. So you need someone who's a neutral one to avoid the bad publicity. Each time is station says or track in because ukona abantu aba assume ukuthi uChatha ualign nobani because that is what ebibang umsindo kakhulu lapha na
kusikiya
ngengoma yabo. In terms of show uChatha was very good. You understand lo mculo lo wana, you understand nabantu bayamuzwa. But you've got this inkulumo ehlezi zilandela uChatha, you understand, same with Ungizo. So as a manager you need to protect the brand, so there are decisions that you need to take, even though was ukuthi ngeke uzobe mnandi, but because we've got a brand to protect, so you need to take those decisions. So I think it decision management ethela phana was to make sure ukuthi uChatha bayamsave naye from lezi nkulumo lezi ekhona yabo, because my lapha kwi drive just doing a drive and azikho zonke lezi impilo zama camps nani which and ends up now sekumfakela namagama necessary. We understand and end up dancing image of a stage.
Yeah. Nginombuzo. Lo mbuzo enginawo ngicabanga ukuthi khona umuntu wakubuza.
Wow, that's interesting.
Siyawusaba ke lo mbuzo.
Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ubalekile lo mbuzo.
Yeah.
Ukhozi FM lukhulu ngoba luyi radio station eshisayo best la eSouth Africa. Noma lukhulu ngoba abantu abaningi bakhuluma isiZulu.
You want to confess it?
No, I think we are accustomed to Eastern so-called. No? Two. Mhlambe khona omunye umbuzo engeke ngize ngo-answerish. Two, like I said earlier on, thina maZulu into yethu sihlezi sisupport. Yabo. Whether look best or not, it's a story for another day. Yabo, because I mean, if you go home, abantu abadala bazokuthi nje FM Ukhozi.
Yes.
So and leyo nto isazothatha iminyaka neminyaka ingashintshi. Luckily, vele ke population yethu as amaZulu is huge. So it's gonna be here forever. Ukuthi with the best, are we competing? Kanjani ke? Maybe we still play
Ukhozi was yona radio station ekade yaziwa. Yabo sonke sikhule sazi ukuthi umsakazo ukhozi. Yabo and kuzothatha isikhathi to undo that. Yabo yes you have Okakasi, you have East Coast Radio now, but Ukhozi will still remain the only radio station abantu bakwaZulu Natal no South Africa abayazi.
Okay.
We understand. And ngenhlanhla amaZulu maningi vele ilokhuzana South Africa yonke, so you'll have a following to your cause each and every province. So in terms of whether
No, in terms of whether they are
in terms of whether they are best or not fair, so the mere fact that they are able to sustain these numbers, it means there's something that they're doing right. If they were not good, you wouldn't have these numbers that they put in.
Okay.
Based on the numbers,
Yes.
if they are the best, based on the numbers, because phela angithi sometimes so buyela nje kuma summers makuthiwa le award yavotelwa best song of the year, umuntu othole yona, it's because of amavote, they know best. We can't dispute it based on the numbers. Kodwa masokwenza a comparison with other radio stations, angeke siphike ukuthi they do have shows are weaker compared to another radio station. You understand? Also mode as a listener would decide ukuthi uye ngala. We understand? But the advantage asebewabalile abafuthi ngeke ngize ngibuyele kuwona of ukuthi they are broadcasting ngesiZulu and bane reach enkulu will always count in their favor. Kodwa mangabe uzothi okay, now ngibuka le show, which one do I prefer? There are shows as a listener that you would prefer to go to another radio station. You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So based on
But also LSM. So then it tells you ukuthi bangana nabantu abayi-target audience yoKhozi in South Africa compared to abantu abayi-target eKakasi or iMetro East Coast Radio. Angazi noma ngiyezwakala.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I hear. But I don't want us to stay on this for long. But the thing is, I would argue if we say based on the numbers they are the best, because if Guguti, the only option I have, because there are people that the only option they have
Is Ukhozi.
and if it was the only option I have is Ukhozi, and therefore that makes Ukhozi the best, then that's I don't think that's true. Because if Ukhozi ginale option phela
Thokoza.
and I'm not choice.
Can I interject? No, my brother, let me just say.
Yeah.
Uthe, based on the numbers. Ngisacela emphasize again. There is community radios that are Zulu speaking.
Yes.
Yeah, but there's like more. We have more than 30 community
Akhuluma
radios. Akhuluma isiZulu.
And they exist in all regions of KZN.
Exactly. There is Ikakasi. There is Ivoma.
Yeah.
They speak isiZulu, ne? And Ukhozi is still standing.
Yeah.
So can I say, based on the numbers,
Yeah.
it's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I accept. That's fine. It was just a question.
So Ntokozo now, Ntokozo, you want us now to interrogate the issue of quality versus
And
quantity.
technicalities.
Yabona nje manje
They should have dropped. If those community radios were that hot.
Yeah. Okay. So the general consensus on the table
Based-
is that Ukhozi is the best.
Based on the numbers
Based on
as
the
well.
numbers.
Yeah, because that is why even Guma Awards, sesikhuluma ngama radio awards, kune award for technical producers. Ilapho kusuke sekucompetishwa ke khona action for action. Technically, which radio station is sounding good. We understand production wise, content for content, which station is sounding good. But now when we're talking numbers for numbers, they are the
Yeah.
best.
Based on the numbers.
Yeah.
Imaging is a different story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Presenting is another story.
Yeah.
I've got a question, but I'll just move on from Ukhozi. How are we doing with time? As in, like, I'm just trying to see how
You'll
long
never
we-
finish
how long we
Mokulongo
stay
Ukhozi.
with
It's better
them.
to move
Exactly.
on. Eh?
This must tell him what's
40
how
minutes,
big
30 minutes.
Yeah, you'll never finish Mokulongo
This should
Ukhozi.
tell you what's how big Ukhozi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm interested in? It's maybe just indulge me. Brands within Ukhozi. If you look at 626, you've got big brands. Like you've got DJ Stamez, Ambrosa. They are brands. Lady D, big brand. 12 to 3, you've got
Zimdola, King's Fiso.
No, King's Fiso. Then 3 to 6, Selby and Jata, big brands. Is there succession planning? Who's gonna take over? Which other brands are within the station that are ready to say, should somebody else say I'm leaving, then we've got someone.
Hence, I was saying earlier when we started this conversation, and I said I would love Ugutu Ukhozi Lubene program of empowering these youngsters. I mean, really, it would be it would be one of the most exciting things was kuzoza ubani from another radio station or ubani, if they could have that a program like that, it could go places. And abantu zobathola abanjalo is through community radio.
Yeah. For me, I think if, God forbid, if something were to happen to Ujata now, Ukhozi was struggling to get a replacement. Will really struggle to get a replacement at Jata. So, in terms of Tenasenze, they will go again and learn with DJ Sbu. Azo when they drive. So, Lendo yeah, a succession plan, I think it's very important. It goes back to a point because now we are la recession you give this chance a chance with babe khona and you grooming them, you building them with bangene kula shows, you understand. I mean, we actually mentioned Usiyasem given a chance. He can do it right for cousin.
Hot one.
You can do it right for causing Usiyasem. Given a chance. You understand? But he's not part of Ukhozi njengamanje. And it will be a shocker if Ukhozi vele lisuka lando siya manje kunana FM lo musi we drive manje. You understand? So I doubt ukuthi banayo that plan. I doubt ukuthi banayo. You know, and I am abanayo.
Also on your show. Doing a show, I mean. Listen, Fethu, is succession plan a thing is meant from anybody who's in leadership. First of all, you should have a succession plan for yourself. When and your pet, okay, when it's time for me to go, kulabantu engibalidayo who will be ready to sit kulesi sihlalo engihleli kusona. And many leaders fail even at that point. You know, they don't think about the fact that so who's going to take over? And ngifuna mina ukuthi silande emuva kancane kusukela kubona abasakazi babekwazi ukuthi babone italent mase beyalisondeza eduze. We had Mandla Malakwane in this show, and he shared with us ukuthi when uKansas City Mchunu identified him ukuthi he is talented, wamsondeza eduze kanjani. He narrates his own story, so people can go and watch that episode and see how he narrates his story ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani, right? And then again, how did abantu abanjengo Linda Sibiya get roped in? Abantu abanjengo Khethagwala, abantu abanjengo Lucky Sfatha, you understand? You'd remember ukuthi these were abasakazi who became household names, even though ngaleso sikhathi radio ingacompete neyinto eziningi bengena ngama weekend, the likes of Lucky Sfatha. By the time sizomuzwa phakathi neyinsuku, it was no longer a shocker because they were in our veins. Now abaphethe manje kumele babuze ukuthi do they have a current Lucky Sfatha on a weekend show? Do they have that person? Uyamkhumbula Lucky Sfatha bahle bagezile on a Saturday. Household name on a Saturday. So when he's moved to a weekday show, it wasn't a problem.
Yeah.
If Linda Sibiya is not around, akukuthusa voice ka Khethagwala. Do you remember those times? So now the question is, do they have those brands within the station itself? Singakayi ngaphandle, because succession can start from within. Singakayi ngaphandle. And then abasakazi bona qobo lwabo kumele bavumele babamukela abantu who are being groomed to be their successors. You understand? Kumele babamukela. I know it's not easy. It's not easy, but it's important.
My brother, there's no such. I mean, like if you have a hot show, why would you take someone who's about competition? It's not even about Abasaras. It's natural. I think, you know, when I got to East Coast a long time ago, I don't know if they still do it. I got into a training slot. There was a training slot Saturdays between midnight and Saturdays and Sundays between midnight and 6. That's how you used to show your talent. Maybe if they could create something like that, a format, or okay, we have a training slot, maybe they have someone for 3 months. Stations do that. They used to do that. I don't know if they still do. I don't know how they hire people now. Maybe if they could have a training slot where aspiring jocks can have that slot, and then you get then get into primetime show or swing jock, and then up until as I try to show. Maybe if they could create something like that, then I think that would be an answer. But Leo Hutsu was also
And I'll tell you why. Actually, I mean, based on what Ntokozo said, even Ubambuga Istorio Askakhuluma ngoMandla Mangakwani was singing praises of uKansas ukuthi wamsiza. We also know istory saLinda Sibiya ukuthi uKansas played a huge role. Even Linda Sibiya himself, he's one person that he onabantu abaningi abamcreditayo ukuthi I would not be on radio today if Linda Sibiya did not open that door for me. The support that he was giving me, it played a role in me being on radio. I honestly think I agree with Ntokozo. It's success. Well, usually we speak about this with leadership. What is success here leader? Umuntu was we replace Ian. But also no mundo I think you should look at it like that. You're not gonna be relevant forever.
On that thought, let me say something actually. uSigqemeza introduce eradweni uSotobe, right?
Yes.
Wangena laphayana I think wenza umgosi noma wenza indaba, but that is how he was introduced, enza umgosi and so on. And I remember in one interview when uSigqemeza said, uSotobe said, you are a future drive material to him. And that boosted his confidence, and he has done drive, he has done breakfast, uSigqemeza, he has done evening talk show. So that is where it comes from. Otherwise remember ngabe esengivala mina la ngokwami maybe ngabe bengayilungisi lento. I believe I don't work there and I've never worked there, but I believe the day they had to suspend Linda Sibiya and then to take him out of the building, it was a system shocker for them internally. And I can tell you what they were thinking, what are we going to do now? Because it was losing a huge brand in just like that.
I should also tell you that you're talking nonsense. Go ahead, Ashi.
Are you gonna do it? We shouldn't be discussing this. USigqemeza is a breakfast show jock.
Yeah, he is.
He's umuntu ozo by competition. Musandala ama-teachers.
The next thing in competition will sit in the show.
Uzophathwa ikhanda kuthiwa I take over. And then the next thing awusabuya. Come on. Njengoba ngisho asibuyeleni nje ukuthi let's have a training slot. Mabe ukhona uSigqemeza they wanna be, they will take him nje kanjalo. Hayi ukuthi into yakudala leyo ukuthi uKansas babe No, kusetshenzwa ngama-followers two ama-followers obayiqhamba umuntu onama-followers enjebe.
Yeah.
So Metro FM changes. I don't know who wants to start there.
Okay, you can go ahead.
All right. No, Metro FM, it's cool. There's not much changes. Sebi, very safe. He's the type of guy who's very safe. I like him. He's clean, but you can't expect fireworks. He's not a DJ Fresh, but he's clean. He brings in the money. It's okay. He's a safe jock. Maulala Lexeni, same. What's his name? Sebi. Clean brand. It's cool. It works for Metro.
Sure.
It works for Metro. Touch is touch. What else? What else on Metro? There are no changes.
No.
Yeah, no.
Prime time,
there are no changes. We prime time. DJ step in the morning. Yes. 9 to 12. I was expecting changes. Yeah, I was expecting changes there.
She's not holding it down.
No, she's not.
Oh, okay.
She's not.
Okay.
She's not, guys. Let us be honest. That is not good for we know. That is not good for we know.
From YFM.
Yeah, from YFM. Yes. That's not good for we know. That show is not working for her. It's not working for Metro. I was expecting her to be moved. At least I have my co-hoster with Touch, with Drive. then that is where Ukutso will know from why I was going to come alive on that Lokozana. Because I'm energy I cannot touch here, they loud, you know. So I think they were going to
Complement each other.
complement each other because what is happening between Utouch and what's the girl name? Lut Love. You don't even know what Lut Love went on in that show. You know, you don't even know what all she does is to read the live reads, and that's it. She has no contribution in that show at all, you know. So if you uthatha umecha noTouch, you'll get fireworks there. You understand? So I was expecting at least ukuthi Metro was going to give Mpumi Mlambo the 9 to 12 show.
Boom in Lambo, yeah.
Boom in Lambo, I know.
Yeah.
And then what about the 12 to 3? Is that LKG? Is she still there?
With,
Yeah.
In the Provo.
Yeah,
Provo.
Provo,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
12 to 3, yeah, it's
Safe.
safe, yeah.
Yeah, safe. And also the return of Dineo. Quite interesting.
Ranaka.
Yeah, Dineo Rana.
Yeah.
Quite interesting. I listened to the chat show. Oh, you know, Dineo is Dineo.
It was beautiful. I
Yeah,
loved it.
Dineo is Dineo. You know, she will never let you down. I'm not sure about the weekend breakfast show though.
Exactly, Kai. Yo.
That weekend breakfast show. I'm not sure.
You see, so sorry, Archie. You see, Gule weekend breakfast show. I know. No.
So it's Somizi Zola, and then there's Andy.
There's Andy Leah.
Yes.
You know that show needs to be dismantled, Jay, altogether. That show needs to be dismantled. You had Umet L that was released for no particular reason, basically. That girl is good. That girl is good. You know, if you dismantle that show, the weekend breakfast show, at least give it to Umet L and Lokozana Uzol.
Yeah, Zola is quite cool, eh?
It's very good. Uzol, why would you? Also means, guys, she's not a brave person. Also means she's not.
It's the numbers, dude. It's the numbers.
But why?
Yeah,
gamble?
that's what I wanted to
but
say
why
after
gamble?
Archie.
Because now you are basically rendering Uzola useless in that show because you are giving this person who's close about radio an opportunity to drive the show, whereas you've got a radio person who's supposed to be driving the show. We understand. For me, also music should be a contributor in that show, not an anchor. It's not working, guys.
Yeah, that's my only gripe with the Metro. That show, that weekend breakfast. I'm not sure about it.
Yeah.
I'm really not sure. But otherwise, I think Metro is quite good. And also on a Sunday, Paul Mtikhaga, amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Paul Mtikhaga, he's clean. He knows what he's doing. The presenter.
Yeah.
And the music, the presentation, he's well prepared. You are more to prepares for his show. Paul Mtikhaga, well done, dude.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
But another move engishokile and namanje we understand ukuthi what was the thinking ye programs manager laphan uSiyabulela uSopta. So you take someone from night prime uyomfaka on a graveyard slot. And it doesn't make sense. Ulanda uSopta at Y doing 7 to 10. It's night prime. Uzomfaka kwi training slot.
It's not training.
It's training
That's
slot.
huge.
It's
at Metro.
graveyard.
That's
It's
huge.
graveyard, bro.
I mean, they removed Ishmael from there to a weekend gig.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne?
What do you think about that, Ishmael? He's left with one show now.
Yeah, true.
Two. He's left with 2 shows. Ngimbona iyabona ngazi ukuthi ama-shows akhe alibele emncipheni.
Yeah, where I come
What
from,
do you
that's a
think?
training gig. Where I come from, that's a training gig. I think it maybe mhlambe kuma negotiations, it was a matter of, hey, let me stay at Metro. Maybe it's not about the money. It's about being at Metro. But I saw something with Abe Pala on Facebook. He's been there for 15 years.
He has been there for a while.
Yeah, ne? Because even with the All Soulful session, he wasn't that big. Njenabo Sintle, Nabo Praedi, Nabo no Bafana. I don't know. Maybe it sometimes the door is actually there. Maybe you should look at it at some time.
But actually, why would you? I don't understand this movement. I mean, Metro. This man is good, Buffett.
Yes, definitely.
This man is good.
But now the problem is that manje Pelamfethu, about from our times of radio is different from this time. Bafethu, times are changing. I was driving with my son the other day and listening to radio. He doesn't understand Zelch. Now, imagine if we were still on radio. We're out of touch. Maybe it's one of those times. Yes, I've done my thing. He's very good. I like Usmail. It's very good, but he can't imagine this. If you look at these youngsters, these camera guys, but how much do they know about radio?
You know,
so maybe it's the new generation is about to take over and now.
But it's interesting that you're touching on that point, Archie. If then we are out of touch with the young generation as radio, who is then the future consumer of our products?
We are very close to sell by day. We are just going to be obsolete very soon.
You think so? Radio?
Of course. I'm telling you. What is one of the biggest events that we have in Durban for the youngsters? I don't know what our times, but we know Good Sunday.
Yeah.
A generation like that. Go and tell them about radio. And there's other guys.
Yeah.
Aba lento. Aba peace. Tell them about my son. Uba busy abuki podcast some guys laba benole zabo yabo and he angisho ukuthi religiously ubuka leyo podcast hey yo no and religiously and you think ukuthi manje radio ongamanazo and then mfethu inje mfethu radio
leke ngibusy ibusy iphonto ukuthi ayiphosi ngisho ukuphuza ke ayiphosi leke kodwa ibusy kodwa
lalela mfethu uma uzofika uyitshela legenge okay ngcono fresh ngoba uya DJ yabo uyitshele with some big DJ yabo they like oh who's this so that tells you ukuthi i-radio ayimba hash we've got tough competition give it 3 years I'm a podcast your people inina manje that are taking over
I don't think so, but I don't think we should argue the point. But I don't think radio iphelelwa isikhathi. But what I would agree on is that time spent listening has shortened a lot. But it remains relevant. Man said, man driver.
Yeah.
I'm listening to radio.
Yeah.
I don't listen to radio. That's why I'm saying time spent listening has reduced drastically. But I don't think it's going anywhere. I think it's going to remain relevant because I can't remember which podcast I was watching, and this person was saying, radio is under threat since got introduced to TV or to radio, but that has never come to light.
But think about radio. What's the radio is evolving?
My brother,
radio is evolving.
I'm a media buyer, no? To convince a client to buy advertising on radio is a mission.
Okay.
The reason being, these youngsters, they always have phones. They rather spend more money on
data.
social media or whatever the case might be than to spend money on radio. It's cheaper, it's convenient, and ama results wathola manje.
Yeah, actually, it's interesting that you say that. A friend of mine who is in the business of doing events was telling me that he did an event that had no radio partnership, no TV partnership, no
Exactly.
newspaper partnership. He only pushed it through social media, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and so on.
Massive.
And it was a sold out event.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's interesting that you touch on
yeah.
that.
So I think ngeke iziphele radio per se, but khona la kuzofika khona ukuthi man, you know.
But radio won't die for one reason and one reason only. E-radio is a trusted source. E-radio is a trusted source because if you hear something on radio,
You believe it, you trust it.
exactly. So that's why radio won't die anytime soon.
I've got a question for you, Simza, on what you said. You said Huto, you're not sure about her. Okay, I can't say this because it was a private discussion with someone who does radio as well.
Yeah.
And he said when I met him and we were talking about Dineo Ranaga joining Metro, and he said he suspects, in fact he said he's sure that the reason Dineo Ranaga has been brought at Metro is to do the 9 to 12 slots.
Yeah.
So basambambisile nje there for now.
Yeah.
But watch next season she's going to that 9 to 10 slot.
That should kick ass.
Yeah, no, that's it looks like that is the plan. Because if you follow how DJ Sepi arrived at Metro, they had a plan for Sepi, you know, and he was told it was okay. We want you here, we earmarking you for this show, but you're going to start here. You know. And Udineo, when she left Metro, she wanted to do breakfast. And Ikaya offered her a breakfast show, and she went back to Metro, hoping that Metro is going to say, no, stay, we're going to keep you breakfast. That did not happen. You know, and then she went to Kaya.
Oh, okay.
So it is possible that this is Kuto's last season on that 9 to 12 slots.
Dineo is a monster.
Dineo
is a monster. She does good radio, that lady. Yeah, she's very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, but otherwise, Metro, no fireworks. The Sundays, fantastic.
Yeah.
But
Paul,
guys,
dude.
Yeah, but guys, I mean, I'm not happy.
Okay.
Guys, I'm not happy.
Where would you have put Suta? Which slot?
One of the weekend shows in first.
Maybe the weekend breakfast.
Well, even the weekend breakfast in first. You can't take like a talent from Night Prime where you bench a bit.
No, but it's not Night Prime at that level. This is YFM. It's not national radio station. It's at that level.
Still in first. Uthi ngalo muntu lo ushaya basically ushaya confidence yakhe. You are saying come here, I'll train you. No, basically exactly, guys.
It's national, it's metro.
Exactly, I don't think so.
It's national, it's metro, but it's graveyard.
You would not have taken a contract.
It's graveyard, guys. Come on.
Yeah.
Whether it's national or it's graveyard, guys.
It's metro.
It's graveyard. Come
It's
on.
metro.
Come on.
It's metro. It's the
graveyard,
best.
but it's graveyard. I think it's the prime night prime. Basically, you are saying to me, I'm not good enough. You are not good enough.
No.
Come here. I will train you, man. And so for this is.
Simza, let me just say, let us just say, all agree they have a plan.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you put it like this.
Yeah, they have a plan. I mean, the guy is good. They didn't have a space for now, but they have a plan. The
Yeah.
point is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know, guys. That's it for me, Metro.
Metro. Yeah.
Let's come back home a little bit.
Okay.
It's Gaga CFM.
Okay.
Kube ne shocker. Yokuhamba Gazisto on the drive, eh? Nobody expected that. Did any of you guys expect it? Maybe you already knew, who knows?
No, in actual fact, when we reached out to Ukulegani asking when are you guys releasing
Lineup.
a lineup, because we had spoken to him the previous week and then was niggas dates. So if I mean we, I mean Umsakazo 38. So and then we called him how daughter lineup can diphuma nini. And I was like, hey, sesikilozist. Yeah, so in actual fact no one expected that. And I'm not even sure what's because we tried to reach out to her and she never responded. So I don't know what happened
Was
there.
it was the lady on Drive?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, it was sudden. So but even nakhona eKakasi, the breakfast show is tight.
Super
Yeah,
tight.
that show is tight. Unjebs is doing the things there 9 to 12. Amachita, yeah, alright.
But 12 to 3.
Yeah, 12 to 3. Alright.
I like.
I love the way you are saying it. You know the way you are saying it.
I like
India's music.
one thing I like about Amachita, ne?
Yeah.
There's one thing, Fethu.
DJ Sonic.
Sonic no Kaya.
No Kaya, yeah.
Fethu. Amachita ne energy. They enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
I think you can have opinions athile ngabo abantu phela ngeke uthandwe bona bonke abantu.
Yes.
But Amachita mfethu uyabona ukuthi nabo they are well prepped. Yabo if bane energy yabo babengena they have that energy. So yeah, big up to the guys first.
Yeah.
Big up to the guys. In fact bangayenza nje drive kube normal. Amachita.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Bangayenza drive kube normal. Uyabona abantu they complement each other very well. Complement each other very well.
Yes, it's people from two different backgrounds.
Exactly.
Go and be.
Let's give it up
Yeah.
for Amachita and Javetsu. They up there.
Yeah.
Well done to the guys. And that lady, what's that lady, the 9 to 12 lady?
Unjebs.
Yeah.
She's holding it down.
Yeah, no.
Holding
No, she's
it down.
good, she's good,
Yeah.
yeah.
And the drive, well, it's cool. There's nothing wrong. I think Kakasi, there's one good thing about the Kakasi, my friends. Kakasi, I think in the country, especially in these urban radio stations, I think Kakasi is number one. We understand the market, yeah. It's Kakasi, give it to them. But I understand the market, yeah. Even with Kakasi, it doesn't have big brands, but it's flowing.
Yeah.
I'm not sure on much,
yeah.
but Kakasi, you know, when you go to other provinces and listen to stations. I'm not going to mention stations because I'm not bashing anyone. But Kakasi, super tight. So, and the most important thing about any radio station is to understand your market.
Yeah.
Ngeke uthi ngoba Sunday khona Wilson P now Suzo. Understand? Those guys. I don't think Uti Kakasi is thinking again.
No, it's not.
Numbers, every they holding it down.
Yeah.
But okay. Now corner for the weekend breakfast.
Who does the weekend?
The new one.
Ulwandle.
No,
it's changed.
Yeah, it's changed. Ulwandle was being done by Ulwandle Mason.
Yes.
And that girl is good.
Right.
And she was doing well.
Okay.
I don't know why she was moved.
And now they've brought back Uspay Live because he's done that show before.
Yes, they brought Uspay Live, and I believe Uspay is going to do well in that show. But I was not going to move Ulwandle.
Yeah.
Ite bengayenza bengizobaphera Uspay with Ulwandle.
Do you think Bebe's a compliment that?
I believe so, because Uspay had a terrible co-host kuleya ntombazane leya the actor.
No,
on Sunday.
I bet to differ.
Nilsi
No.
Really?
That girl was terrible.
I thought she applied as I expected her not to do well because Udumile. But I just found
Is she no more there?
No.
She left.
No. Nakhona food for me, I think it was a good decision to let it go. That girl, good actor, yes. Radio person, no, she's not.
Nah, I don't know.
She's not.
I enjoyed
I
them.
never got to listen to her.
I enjoyed them.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that that's how you feel.
You enjoyed that combination?
I thought, you know, when you have expectations,
Yeah.
because we've got this thing, yoguthi abantu abama influencer who doing other things, but they're taking over. So when I listened to her, I wanted to hear, and from the time she started, she only did one season. I just felt like she was applying herself. She took radio serious. You could tell that she's improving show by show. I enjoyed it. I was looking forward to her becoming a radio presenter and having her own show. I saw her at some stage having her own show. That's how good I thought she was on that show.
Now, mina bengamuzwa kanjalo, and to a point where I even feared for Uspay ukuthi he's going to lose a show. You know what? Sometimes you are when you work as a team, you are being judged as a team, not as individuals sometimes. You know, so you find yourself now your contract is not being renewed because you've got a terrible co-host.
I thought father and mother were a good combination, but anyway. I want to ask something. So, Joan Uhambe Uzisto we drive. This week, just record it's the first week after our changes there announcing. Well, yeah, ubeyenza ishona namhlanje. Unkulimbata was in for, well, she was holding it down for, I mean, I don't know for who, but she was with the gents, the Kings. What? Yeah, I'm not sure if you made time to listen to her. Did anyone make time to listen to her? I just want to know your thoughts there.
Uncle is good.
Yeah.
Uncle is good. I think I think I mentioned it last time when I was here. I would say is one of the radio presenters that we should look out for because she's very good, and I was hoping she's going to get her own show, prime time as well. It did not happen, you know. We drive. Yeah, I think she fits in very well.
Okay. What happened to Clarissa?
So we had a chat. What happened? She's no longer with the Kakas.
She's no longer with the Kakas.
No.
Oh, okay.
we had a chat with her actually. She came through. We had a chat with her. She said in that interview she's going back to radio this radio season. So now all the radio stations, SABC radio stations and Kakas FM have announced their changes. Her name was not there. We were waiting for it. So now we are thinking maybe Vuma. Maybe that's where she's going. Because if Vuma change, they make their changes in
much
July.
later. Yeah.
Yeah, June and July, somewhere there.
Well, she did confirm that she's going back to radio.
Yes.
Nyakumbula namloko, but I spoke to her. She confirmed that she's going back to radio. That radio station is based in Mhlanga.
Okay. So since it's not Kakasi, then it's Vuma. Wow, East Coast is a bit
Between
far as
East
well.
Coast and
Oh,
you don't
okay.
know.
But East Coast, didn't they have the new lineup recently?
No.
Oh yeah, they just made few changes.
No. Oh, the guy behind the breakfast left, right?
Yes.
Mike V left.
Yeah.
Yes, and Ati joined 5.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah, Ati joined 5.
So they've got two openings basically.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
So maybe it's Clarissa and Zisto.
I might never know.
Yeah.
I might never know. But yes, guys, East Coast Radio does not make how much changes. Nje.
Yeah,
I mean, you've worked there. You've worked there.
Hey,
Mhlawumbe yini reason.
it's because of if you self it, you know, as a presenter,
Yeah.
they don't just remove you. Uhlala forever. Look at Dion G.
Yeah.
Dion G's been there forever. Why would you think Dion would be at East Coast for more than 20 years now? Yeah, but because unale market le affect her.
Yeah.
So they don't make those changes. And now even West man, Dion is on a weekday show.
Yeah.
So
he's
yeah,
doing lunch now.
yeah, his cost is more stable.
Sure.
Yeah, it's more stable.
Yeah, even the guys in the breakfast show.
Ulo,
Darren.
Oh yeah, oh Mall, yeah,
Yeah,
Mall, yeah.
it's been
It's gotta
around.
be there. Even the one
Yeah.
previous, the previous presenter, Daryl Ilbury, was there for more than 30 years. So yeah, East Coast in Alab. Yeah.
So abasha iformo leya.
And funny enough, the guy was a programs manager. It was a guy who used to produce the breakfast show. Daryl Ilbury, I think, Travis.
Yeah.
So he understands their culture.
Cool.
Interesting.
I think with the Kakasi on my side, just wanted to make a comment around Kuli. I was listening to her this past week. Just recorded. I really enjoyed her. I thought she's a perfect fit to the gents. So if we would see they are looking for a replacement, Nick.
Yeah.
Into Yakilea, you know, I think she did very well. I'm quite happy with her.
Kakas is on top.
But abo makuthiwa uNkulunkulu wakho usebenza overtime, uNkulunkulu wakho usebenza overtime. Kankulu, yeah.
Okay.
Because if ubheka islot ade bemnikeza sona when they were making my changes. And now she's
Yes.
lapha kwi-trial.
Nice. And I'm actually futhi mfethu, they work so hard. Mfethu, I'm actually they work so hard.
Yeah. I like their drive.
I like the drive. It's alive. It's in a character. Yeah, in a character.
Cool. I don't know, guys. Anything else on Ikaka? So should we move on to Radio 2000 so we can wrap up?
Let's move on.
Yes. Okay. We'll go to
I'm just kidding.
No, they haven't made changes yet.
No, they haven't.
But
Not
there's something
yet.
that he wants to say.
No, not really.
Not unless you want to predict some changes there.
No.
Yeah, they
I don't
haven't
know
made
anything.
changes. They usually make changes,
think June.
in June.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think June.
Yeah.
July, between the two.
And I think they've already made some changes because Ubongan is there.
No, that was last year.
Oh, that was
Yeah,
last
last
year.
year.
Oh, he came last year. Okay.
I was not a sudden change.
Okay.
I know, association much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think you think with those changes, are they good enough for ukuthi bakwazi compete nabo
Kakasi.
East Coast Kakas?
Okay. Ubongani is a good fit. And they gelling nicely with the co-host yakhe uLokhuzana what's her name again? The co-host yabongani Mtolo.
Oh,
Something Langa.
is it Nombuso?
Silindile.
Slindy. Yes.
I think Silindile Langa.
Yeah, Langa, yeah. Cause last time into ngayisho ukuthi umvusile ne.
Yeah.
Umvusile, she's alive now, you know. So I don't see Leia show ishintsha or kwenziwa some changes around yona. Breakfast show a combination, it works. Umzo Dips and Ujobe. That combination is working. 9 to 12 with Jacinta, she's untouchable. Ngabuya kanje umuthi uzama ukushintsha lo muntu yabo.
Oh, Jacinta is super tight.
Yeah. 12 to 3 Vanessa flying solo. Yes, but I believe ukuthi they need to pair her with someone. Also when they show ukuthi ibe much stronger. They do have abantu aba capable. Capable, you know, and you've got if I won't be surprised if Clarissa faces a woman.
A co-host with Vanessa.
I don't know where, but
Okay.
I see her between 6 and 6. That's where I see her.
Okay.
That's where I see her. I mean, Clarissa, she's one presenter that you can actually literally give her any show, you know. Clarissa can give a 9 to 12 a woman.
She's very good, eh?
She's good.
Very
you know.
good.
So yeah. Ile wona ndisho ukuthi shuthi uJacinta manje ngabe ulanda uClarissa zombeka That show will be gone.
I also listened to one show which I enjoyed, Evuma, the Deviola.
Oh yes,
Deviola, yeah, it was quite cool.
yes.
The guy is doing so well.
No, he understands his market. That
Yeah,
guy,
understands
and
his
when
market.
market understand.
Bam understand,
Understand
yes.
on Sunday.
Yeah.
He's got a movement. Understand that, you know. Yeah, so that show is solid. I think uphazanyiswa.
Yeah. What's the problem with the numbers and for my guys? You're all saying everything is good and for my it's working, but if you look at the numbers are saying something opposite of what you guys are saying.
I don't know.
The last time I checked, I think they were sitting just above 500,000. Eh? I think they're sitting just above 500,000. The last time I checked, I don't know. Because I'm going to check it. I'm not going
No, it was less than that.
It was less than that.
Because Izulong Zanzi, I think is sitting at 250,000, and Izulong Zanzi has more numbers than Ifuma. Last time, my numbers are
Yeah, I think they were sitting there, but I stand to be corrected. So what any of guys like Melissa understand if you look at Silvoma, I don't know what is happening with their marketing budgets. You know, they don't put much emphasis in terms of marketing. A brand Vuma, we understand. So angazi kwenzakalani lapha. Yabo.
Do you think it's the marketing?
Yeah, the marketing department, I don't think it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. You know, if you look at a relaunch, Kakas, when Kakas was from before to Kakas, you know, there was a lot of marketing that was Lokuzana, you know, a budget say marketing, you know, angi bonivu, yeah. I mean, if you look at some radio stations like, ngenze example, what radio station nje, if you look at Hot FM in Johannesburg, you know, those guys, they've really invested in marketing that radio station, you understand? So for me, everything works like first. It works, but they've got good presentation
and good music.
Yeah, good music first. So they really need their marketing people. They really need to take the brand out there. Yeah, well, I don't remember when was the last time I've seen a billboard there, Vuma, or an advert in the newspaper. You know, I don't remember.
Yeah. I would have thought it's music that is a problem, but you guys are saying music works.
Well, if we're speaking music, according to me, they are competing. Okay, not music. Let's talk format. The format of the radio station, they are talking to the same format, a Radio 2000. You know, so from a PBS perspective, they are competing directly with Radio 2000. You know, marketing, I do agree with the Simpiwa because as he is speaking right now, I'm busy imagining how much of Vuma FM do I see on socials, you know, just popping up in my different handles.
Yeah.
You know, then I'm comparing with how much of 947, even though I'm based in Durban, I am seeing of 97 on my socials. How much of 702, you know, your Clement Nyatelas do I see on my socials? Do you understand? So I'm just talking now digital marketing, you know, the digital space. So I think they have the resources, but these things like social network marketing, they also need somebody who understands them, you know, who understands how do we position the brand in different socials. You know, it's not just anybody. You can't just take endows and say, well, now you are just sending our socials.
You see, an example, Ivuma extending the coverage throughout the province. I think they added 6 more transmitters. You know, I would have expected to see billboards in Newcastle announcing the frequency in Newcastle, billboards in Richards Bay talking about they do. So there was never such campaign, you know, pushing these new frequencies. Kulama regions la ivumeka engafiki kuona. We understand. Even if you scan through the local newspapers, not even a single advert.
Yeah.
You know, not even a single advert.
Yeah, they've got good presenters, huh? Yeah, I mean, Umzo is
Experienced and good.
experienced. Uyaziwa, Ubongani,
Experienced and good.
Jacinta, but they've got good presenters.
Yeah, James, I think because of time we have to wrap, ne? But let's just touch on Radio 2000. DJ Sbu resigned. And then he didn't resign.
It's a U-turn. It's quite a U-turn.
And then the lineup basically didn't change. But we saw DJ Cleo getting an extra slot, meaning he's doing well. Yes.
I think I listened to him over the weekend.
Okay.
I had a DJ Cleo low, you know, I'm DJ Cleo type of guy. And I don't know. I don't know about DJ Cleo really. I know I'm no expert of radio, but I DJ Cleo page.
Sikhulumile ngendaba ka DJ Cleo with Ntobeko when the lineup was released. I think he has brought in the numbers to the radio station. That's what I think. Remember, uPromos manager ubuka ama numbers kakhulu because ama KPIs are always linked to numbers.
Okay, I'm piggies about the numbers, but DJ Cleo, I heard him. I think he was interviewing this one DJ over corner. Hey, introduce yourself. Well, sometimes if you come out, I understand. I'm not sure about his presenting.
I feel he's trying so much to be Enoskido. You know, he's really trying so much to be on Enoskido in that show. He just needs to be himself. And he just needs to be himself and maybe but it's not a show that if I missed it, it's not something like the breakfast show, you know.
On that thought.
Oh, sorry.
On that thought, is there a show right now that's mangabe we missile you feel that you missed it?
Yes.
Icon?
Yes.
Which one?
Mino.
Oh, man! Justice! Yeah?
Man. Man. I bet you don't
On Radio 2000.
give that man a chance, my brother.
Which one for you, Simza?
The Iceman.
For me, the breakfast show at Metro. Now that show, I actually live for that show.
So in the morning, you wake up with DJ Sebi and his team.
In the morning.
Yeah, Sebi is cool.
Sebi is good.
It's very good, yeah.
Very good. And the what's the gospel segment here?
Or Sebi.
You live for it, you tell us.
Yeah.
I know it.
Just forget.
I just forgot the name of the feature because I do listen to him as well.
I see that feature as well.
So I mean, guys, that for me, that show. I mean, if I didn't listen to that show, I'm like, man, there's something in Equalite. So and then Drive. Amachita, but the Kakas, they do.
Yeah, Amachita, doing justice. Doing it justice. Yeah.
What do you think of the kids feature on almost every breakfast show?
It's
You know,
It's overdone, though.
Huh?
It's overdone.
It's overdone.
Yeah, it's overdone. We'll probably need a new angle. It's overdone.
No, they have different angles.
But it's kids.
There's kids on Metro, there's kids on Ukozi, kids on Katasi.
There's kids on 947.
Kids on 947.
I felt like when Roger Court was saying, "No, we're bringing in this fish." I was like, not a kid. Roger Court is a good hope now. You know?
And with 5.
And with 5 years on weekends. So I was like, but you would say it's how you're going to
Approach it.
approach it.
Yeah. And my man, they didn't change my man in 2000 as well, AB Da Costa.
Yeah.
Quite
That
cool.
one
He's a cool DJ. That was, otherwise, 2000. Stunning.
Yeah.
I think let's wrap up, ne? And I think for me, just my. I think everyone will say their passing shots. Anything that we did not touch on around radio that you wanted to share, it can be another radio station that is outside. Are we comfortable with that, Japa? Even if it's outside of the stations and the changes that I've mentioned. For me, DJ Fresh and Unathi, there was a lot of suspense. DJ Fresh is coming back. DJ Fresh is coming back. To find out it's a community radio station that they'll be launching in June was a little bit of an anticlimax. It was not what I expected because I'm a huge Fresh fan, so I was looking forward to it. I was really excited to see what Fresh will be bringing this radio season. But I'm looking forward to see what is it that they'll be bringing on that community radio station. I can't remember the frequency.
It's mixed, maybe 3.8.
Yes, 3.8. Yeah. So it was a little bit of an anticlimax, but I trust Fresh. You know when you trust someone, you're like, he knows better.
He knows better.
Maybe it's too high for me to understand. So I'm at that stage. You know what? Maybe it's just higher grade. It's not at my level.
He's on another level.
I trust Fresh. So let him do it. And he's with Greg Maloka. So
they've got a plan.
I can't wait to see what they are working on.
They've got a plan. I think they've got a plan.
They have a plan. So I'm quite excited to see what they are working on. As much as I'm a little disappointed that it's not now, but hey, let's wait and see.
My only worry would see that radio station Iyabango.
Yes.
Iyabango. I'm just hoping they've got their paperwork, guys, because come the launch dates, you might see a court order. But I mean, we know Greg is behind it. He's the engine behind that station, and you know what Greg has done from YFM to Kaya, and I have no doubt they're going to turn things around, and I believe it's gonna be the next Hot 99. Or Lloyd. What I've done with Hot. I expect the same thing with the new mix that's going to be launched in June, 1st of June.
Yes.
Oh wow, nice. Very exciting.
Was that your passing shot?
Yeah.
Okay.
I expected more in terms of changes, but it was lukewarm. But I think there were no surprises, so to speak. But already is good. Maybe the next season is going to be more interesting.
Yeah. All I can say is that I don't know what is in the diary of a programs manager. But speaking directly to them, those who are leading in the bigger radio stations, so your Kakasi, Ukozi, Vuma, East Coast, Metro, and so on. Can they spend time this season listening to talent in smaller radio stations? So actively and purposely looking for talent. I would not mention names, but when I was on radio, there was evidence that the programs managers of those time were listening to community radio stations. I know because I've had contact from people who were programs managers at that particular time. You understand? So when they meet you, they would show that they've listened. So I know that we want to please our advertisers. So we go for those people who've got numbers, even though they are not radio presenters. But it is always good to have a mix, you know. It's always good to have Archie or Big with social media with Osimpiwe, who's a radio person. Then it works better. So there is a lot of talent out there. It just needs somebody who's going to be intentional. Go kamba yolibheka. Yeah.
Sorry, Baf. I'm sorry, guys, to track this.
Yeah.
I want to go back to your opening statement, Chap. You mentioned the discussion even now, conversation even now with Uzandile. What did she say about DJ Sbu and Chilean?
She said DJ Sbu was not recruited by her.
Yeah.
But she said DJ Sbu, ukuba khona kwakhe kwi-breakfast show attracted a huge listenership from the Gauteng area for Ukhozi FM. That is what she said.
Yeah.
And then we asked her about Chili M, and she said the same. In fact, she wanted Chili M and the umphathi wakhe ngaleso sikhathi, because Chili M was known in the radio industry. Ukuthi hayibo loyo kanjani.
Yeah.
But she said, please, if he doesn't do well, give me one season with him, I will release him. Wavunyelwa. And she took him.
And Shailwan Pomin.
Oh no, look at this, man.
Ngangishayelani Pomin. Ngangibethelelani mina, ngangibethelelani.
Uba wakushaya.
Ngangibethelelani.
Simbuye savumela thina wakhuluma.
Ngiyabuza ukuthi yini ngangibethelelwa yona.
That's how we come here. It's alright.
This guy is naughty.
You know, I wanted to talk about Dr. Mbuyise Ndlovu. Did anyone listen to Dr. Mbuyise Ndlovu?
No, not as yet.
No,
I did.
What did you make of that?
No. It's getting better by the day.
Okay.
It's getting better by the day.
Split podcast, radio and stuff.
Thank you.
Actually, for those they must subscribe to this channel and share. When umsakazi vele uyibeke.
Okay, please subscribe to this channel and make sure that you share to all of your friends. Thank you so much. Podcast and?
Radio and stuff.
Podcast, radio and stuff.
Siyabonga.